Instead of throwing away your Christmas tree after the holidays, turn it into an eco-friendly bird feeder. The tree trunk works perfectly as a base. Cut off a piece of the trunk with a saw so you're left with a thick, stable section. Next, remove old and thin branches using pruning shears, leaving a few stronger ones. Then strip the needles from the remaining branches with a utility knife, so only bare twigs remain. Screw a hook or an eye bolt into the top for hanging. The feeder base is now ready. Take a regular apple and hollow out the center. Place it directly onto one of the branches. Slice a second hollowed apple, thread the slices onto a string, and tie it to the branches. For the final step, add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to a bowl and melt it. Mix in a ready-made birdseed blend and stir well. Pour the mixture into a donut mold and place it in the freezer. Once it has set, remove one solid ring and slide it onto a branch. Your Christmas tree bird feeder is ready. It's perfect for hanging near your home. A simple, eco-friendly way to feed birds in winter. Give your tree a second life and truly support local nature. The birds will love it. A winter-friendly, eco-friendly bird feeder that birds won't pass by even during the harshest frosts. It takes just a moment to make and can genuinely help birds survive winter at almost no cost. Start with an enamel mug. Next, grab some coconut oil. You probably already have it in your kitchen cupboard. It makes the perfect feeder base. Once it solidifies, it binds all the ingredients together, doesn't spoil in freezing temperatures, and is completely safe for birds. Add the oil to the mug until it fills about half of it, then gently heat it until fully melted. Place the mug on a heat source and wait until the oil has completely liquefied. Add pumpkin seeds to the liquid oil. They're highly nutritious, rich in fats, and birds love them. Then add a generous amount of ready-made birdseed mix with a variety of grains that attract many species. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients are evenly combined. Place a wooden spoon inside and position it so it stands firmly. This will serve as a comfortable perch for the birds. Now put the whole thing in the freezer or simply wait for the oil to harden on its own. Prepare some string and tie it securely around the mug. All that's left is to hang the feeder on a tree. Birds will quickly find it and keep coming back. This feeder works perfectly even in severe moroz conditions. Spread peanut butter on an empty toilet paper roll. You need to know this trick. Toilet paper is something everyone has at home, and the empty roll is just a piece of cardboard you usually throw away. This time, you'll turn it into something really useful. Take an empty toilet paper roll and make a small hole near the top of the cardboard. Then, take peanut butter and spread it evenly over the entire roll without missing any spots. The peanut butter creates a sticky layer that will hold everything in place. Now take a mix of bird seeds, pour them onto a tray, and roll the cardboard tube in them until it's completely covered. Finally, cut a piece of string and thread it through the hole. Hang the finished feeder on a tree, which is the perfect place for birds to find a tasty meal. It's a great way to help birds find food. Try it yourself and see how quickly your tree becomes a favorite spot for bird visits.